Hello, Sebastian. Hey, kiddo. What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, I gotta pick you up. Give me a second. There you are. Where are you going? Where are you going? All right, I'll get you. I'll pick you up right now. Say bye, everybody. Bye, everybody.